Hello dearies, welcome or welcome back to the channel. If today is the first time stopping by, you're most welcome. My name is Selassie. I'm a registered nurse here in Ghana. I'm a registered public health nurse. Normally I forget the public health nurse, but I'm a registered public health nurse here in Ghana. Hey, before we dive into the video, guys, I want to change this green background, okay? So leave in the comment section the color you think I should. I want to do either white or gray. White or gray. Which one do you think is best? Leave it in the comment section. So today I'm here to answer one question I got that I feel like I should address because I know we are almost finishing the admission season for 2023-2024 academic year for the nursing training colleges. If you've applied for the state universities, they are still in the application process, so you would have to wait. You go to school probably next year. But for the training colleges, the nursing training colleges, I know that admission season is almost over. And I got this question. She says, "Sister, learning first year courses, are we going to learn it again and write in final exams?" Surprisingly enough, the skills you actually need to practice as a nurse, most of them you do in first year. Okay, you do your basic nursing. You know nurses give injection. You learn how to give injection in first year. You learn all the basic nursing skills that you need to actually nurse a patient. You learn all of them in first year. Your basic nursing, especially, which is where you learn all the skills, bed making, the different types of bed making, how to handle a patient, put a patient in a comfortable position, all the positions we use in nursing a patient, wound care, mouth care, all of them, medication, all of them, you learn in first year. Actually, you learn in first year. And so the way nursing school is structured, there is no course that is useless or non-fat. There's no course that is non-fat, okay? Everything you learn in nursing school from first semester is important. It's important because they are there to build the foundation on which you are going to learn the more advanced and theoretical topics or contents. Okay, so first year you'll be doing courses like anatomy and physiology, microbiology, basic nursing, pharmacology, first aid, and all of that. And then when you get to second year, you are learning the more advanced things like medicine, diseases of the body. And guess what? These diseases you are going to learn are based on the systems that you learned in anatomy. And in this class, you are going to learn how to manage patients based on the conditions they have. So let's say in a medical nursing class, and you are talking about pneumonia or upper respiratory tract infection, and this patient was brought in. So you have to know the first aid management of this condition that the patient has brought in. And guess what? You already did first aid in first semester or in first year. Okay, moving on. Okay, the patient is going to be admitted. In what position are you going to nurse this patient? Okay, you did position and bed making and co in basic nursing in first year, right? So you have to apply that knowledge here. So when you get to second year, third year, you realize that most of the things you are learning, you need your knowledge from first year to apply, to be able to understand what the content is talking about. So you might not get questions that will instantly draw your attention to the fact that, oh, this thing you learned it in first year, or this is a first year thing. No, but you realize that everything comes together, especially in your final exams. Everything comes together. Okay, everything comes together. They might ask you a question in your licensing exam that doesn't necessarily feel like this is something you learned in first year, but you realize that through your answering, some of the knowledge you are pouring on the paper are from first year, second year, third year, all clammed up to answer just that one specific question. So my advice for students most of the time is that don't focus on passing the exams and moving to the next class. That is not the goal here. Fine, getting good grades in nursing school is good. It's best, okay? If you can get all the A's, do that, okay? Don't go and slack in nursing school. But get the concept, okay? Get the concept. There are things that I know and apply that I just know them because I understood the concept in nursing school, okay? So get the concept. When you understand it and you grasp it, it's application becomes easier, okay? Application becomes easier. So take everything you are learning in nursing school seriously and you are good to go. And if you are in first year, I've created a Telegram group for first year students because no matter the program you are doing, the first year courses are similar. So you can join the Telegram group. I'm hoping to start free Zoom classes soon for topics that I feel like I can teach, but also the platform is for sharing ideas, sharing materials, okay, sharing past questions. So far, that's what is happening on the page. I have not really started anything big yet. So I'll leave the link in the description and in the comment section. Join if you are in first year. If you are not in nursing school yet, please don't come there and be asking admission questions and no, it's for nursing students. So if you are there and you are not a student, then keep quiet and don't ask questions that will be taking us back, okay? So on the page you can put things, you can ask questions, and when you are asking questions, ask specific questions, okay? Ask specific questions. Don't say I don't understand this course. What aspect of the course do you not understand? So that someone can help you understand that aspect of the course, but you are not doing the whole course in one day. So if there is a content you've handled in class and you don't understand it, you can ask, hey guys, have you handled this in this course? So for example, last time someone was asking about the drawbacks or as in disadvantages of technology in therapeutic communication. So that is a specific question that somebody can answer for you, okay? So that is what all the platform is about. I know the first semester is a stressful time. Already some of my already you are crying and it's so stressful. It's like I want to cry. Don't cry, okay? It's just a time of adjustment. So just try as much as possible to get into the groove of things, get your body accustomed to the timetable and how things are moving on your campus, and you'll get a hang of it, okay? So yeah, all courses are important. Take them seriously, and if you're having difficulties, ask for help. Look for other platforms that can help you to understand that content. There's a lot of information surrounding you. All you have to do is look. Your phone is a powerful tool. It's not just for TikTok, Instagram and things. At this point in time, you should put TikTok, Instagram and things somewhere. Unless you are learning something on those platforms, you should put them somewhere, because no matter the trend, no matter what is going on right now, you will come back and there will be new trends and all of that, okay? So yeah, that is what I have for you today. I hope this is helpful. I wish you all the best in nursing school. Since there are thousands of nurses all around the world, it means it is doable. So just pat yourself on the back and say, hey, I made it this far. This is what I want to do and I can do it. And you will excel, okay? I'll see you in my next one. Bye.